Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be learning how to play Flippin Ninjas from Catalyst Game Labs. It's a quick tile flipping game involving memory, bluffing, and most importantly, stealth. You and your opponent each control a clan of warriors led by a daimyo. This clan includes ninjas, samurai, monks, komainu, and even dragons. And they're all hidden face down on the board. The goal? Protect your daimyo, while either capturing your opponent's daimyo or eliminating all of their ninjas. It will require a little bit of deduction, a little bit of timing, and a whole lot of luck as you flip tiles, reveal your units, and try to pull off that perfect ambush before your opponent even realizes what's happening. Let's take a look at the setup. Open the box and remove each player's tiles, as well as the neoprene mat. Then position the mat between the players and give each the appropriate bag for their player's side. Turn all the tiles face up so that you can locate your daimyo and separate it from the rest of the tiles. Then flip over all remaining tiles and shuffle them, before setting them aside as well. Place the daimyo onto the space marked with a circle of the appropriate color, and then begin placing the face-down tiles onto the spaces with the corresponding dots. Once both players are done, the game can begin. But before we take our first turn, let's get familiar with what each character can do. On the bottom of each player's side is a diagram. This shows which of your opponent's forces are able to be captured by the pieces you flip. Please note, the daimyo is unable to capture any other pieces. There's the dragon, the samurai, the monk, the komainu, and the ninja. And of course, the dragon can beat the dragon, the samurai, the monk, and the komainu. However, very importantly, not the ninja. The samurai is able to capture samurai, monk, komainu, and ninja. The monk is able to capture the monk, the komainu, and a ninja. The komainu is able to capture the komainu and the ninja. The ninja, however, can capture the dragon, any other ninja, and importantly, the daimyo. They are the only piece that is capable of capturing the daimyo. Now determine who will be your first player. My wife and I usually each roll a 20-sided die, with the highest roll going first. Turns involve typically one of three actions. Flip a tile, move to an adjacent space, or attack an adjacent piece and move onto that space. Ninjas, as masters of stealth, are the only characters that are able to flip back to a hidden state. All other characters remain revealed when flipped. It is important to note that a character cannot typically attack a hidden tile. Ninjas are, again, the exception, and are able to challenge an adjacent hidden ninja. If the challenged piece is a ninja, it is defeated, and the attacking ninja moves to that space. If it isn't, the tile is revealed and remains that way. Absolutely punishing if you guess wrong, because your ninja is still revealed and can now be attacked on the next turn. Let's watch how the rest of this game plays out. It's important to keep track of your opponent's flips and predict their upcoming moves in order to succeed, but be prepared to throw the entire plan out the window when a flip doesn't go your way. As you can see, this game is incredibly quick, with no downtime between turns, easy to reset for an immediate rematch, and perfect for those times where you want to pull out a game, but don't want to have too much setup time invested. The pieces feel incredibly satisfying to play with, and admittedly, I'm always a sucker for a game-specific neoprene mat. This game is definitely part of our usual rotation, and I'm sure it would be a wonderful addition to yours as well. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to give a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you know what's next. Got a game you'd love to see a how-to for? Drop it down in the comments. We're always listening. We'll see you next time.